everyone, it's Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla and welcome to my channel. So how's everyone doing? I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you all are doing well. So you saw my last video of the Happy Mail? I think that was the last one I uploaded that Sabrina sent me, Sabrina Melodieuse. I'll link her below. She made a beautiful owl shawl for me. Oh my gosh. If you guys didn't see that video, please go back and watch it. And check out her channel. She is such an amazing person. And she's a knitter, crocheter. I don't know if you hear that, but it's thundering right now. We're getting a little bit of rain. Yay! Hopefully we get a little bit more than a little bit. We really need it. Everybody needs it, right? Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, check out Sabrina. She's such a sweetheart and wonderful crocheter and knitter. She has tutorials on her channel, so check those out. Thank you again, Sabrina. Oh, and this was a little necklace she gave me. Oh, a little owl. I love it. All right, so I was saying in that Happy Mail video, I wonder what hubby's reaction is going to be to the shawl. Well, I wrapped it around my shoulders and came out and he looked at it and kind of nodded, and then I turned around and he saw the owl at the back. His reaction was, holy smokes. So, Sabrina, you should be jumping for joy. It's hard to get a reaction out of him. Holy smokes. I would have videotaped his reaction, but he doesn't like to be on video. So, yeah. So, and the link to that owl shawl is in the description box below that Happy Mail video. Some of you were asking. I still haven't gotten to all your comments. Oh my gosh, you guys, so many comments. That's amazing and that's wonderful. Okay, so I'll get to them, I hope today. All right, so, again, Sabrina, thank you for everything. And all that yarn you sent, those 5 balls of yarn, that is plenty to do some kind of cute top for myself. Thank you so much. I know you offered to send more. You are so generous and so thoughtful, but no, honey, no. Everything you sent me is just amazing. I love it all, and I love you. Thank you so much. Okay, so, whew. What is going on? I bought a mannequin. I've been looking for a mannequin. Okay, so I put a community post up where I was asking my lovely YouTube family if you knew where to get a reasonably priced mannequin. Because I'm cheap like that, right? Especially when it comes to buying stuff for myself. So, some of you, well, a whole bunch of you gave me wonderful, wonderful suggestions. And I had checked out a bunch of those already before I put my post up there. But I thank you. I thank you for saying, oh, check here, check here, check here. Someone mentioned Craigslist. I have never been to Craigslist. I never think about Craigslist. So thank you for that. I went to Craigslist. They had nothing. I wrote in mannequin in the search bar. Nothing popped up. I wrote in dress form. Nothing popped up. So, but that's okay. That's okay. Thank you so much for that suggestion. So, I went online again and just put in mannequins, dress form, Canada, because I'm in Canada. And this one mannequin kept popping up, and it had popped up before when I was searching. And it was $89, which was good. Decent price, right? Plus shipping and things like that. So I thought, well, I don't know. I'm going to dig deeper, see if I can find something a little cheaper. And found the exact same one on a different site. And this is brand new. It was $89.99 on that site as well, but it was free shipping. Free shipping. And if you're a first-time customer, you get 30% off. I'm like, what? What? They're in Canada. They're in Scarborough, Ontario. I'm in Manitoba, so they're right next door. Shipping was to be 5 to 7 days. It got here in 2 days. 2 days. Yes, I ordered it. 2 days. They shipped it by FedEx. When I ordered it, I got an email saying, thank you for placing your order. Half an hour later, they emailed me and said, my order is shipped. I'm like, what? So that was on Thursday, last week, which was what date? Oh, I have my calendar right here. July 8th, 2021. And then Saturday, July 10th, 2021, in the afternoon, I was sitting on my step outside in the front. FedEx guy pulled up, and I thought, is he coming here? I don't remember ordering anything through FedEx. Never thought of my mannequin because I wasn't expecting it for maybe a week. So then he comes over and he lifts up this big box over my fence because he saw me sitting there and, you know, social distancing or whatever. I'm like, is that for me? He just nodded, yeah. I'm like, oh my God, thank you. So I went and grabbed it, brought it in the house right away and looked at it. Female mannequin. Ooh, so excited. Yes. So you Canadians out there, if you want one, I'm going to put the link below. The shop is called, I think it's pronounced Awesome or Awesome. Maybe Awesome. It's spelled A-O-S-O-M. A-O-S-O-M. I'm really excited about it because I'm really, really happy about it. And I'm going to show a video of myself assembling it. I did that this morning. So you're going to see that video very, very shortly. But I just love it. Okay. I don't want to give away too much, but you'll see me putting it all together, and literally it took about 5 minutes. I thought when I recorded it I was going to have to speed it up because it was going to be too long. It was like 5 minutes. Okay, maybe 6, maybe a little over 6, but that's because, anyway, you'll see. But to put it together, 5 minutes. I mean, really so easy. All right, I'm looking at my notes here. Did I say everything? Did I say what I paid for it? I paid $70 and some cents Canadian. That's it. I mean, yeah, you'll see it. You'll see it. All right. I don't know if I told you the price. But anyway, all right, we'll go into that video of me assembling it, and then there's going to be a video or a picture or something of me with the mannequin. All right, so yeah, thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy this video. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. All right, here we go. Hey, here we go. This is my mannequin I just got a couple of days ago. I already opened it, so that's why it's not taped closed that well right now. Because I opened it, I looked inside, I made sure everything was in good condition, and it was. The box was taped up really securely, which I was impressed with. So let's just get back into this, and I will show you what's in here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see is a piece of cardboard. To protect it while you cut it open with a knife. There we go. We have some instructions. Very easy instructions to follow. Mostly pictures, which is good. Okay, that's just a box to hold it in there securely. These are the legs. There are 3 legs that have to be assembled onto the stand, which is very simple. 3 legs. They are wooden. And they are beautiful. They're shiny. They're good quality. Wooden legs. And then here, let's pull this out. This is the stand. That is also wooden. It's got some weight to it. Not too much, but, you know, enough weight to make it sturdy. Yeah, okay, which end? Oh, this end. Here we go. Pull it right out of the bag. And look at that. Shiny. I'm impressed. That's my impressed look. I knocked on it. Sorry you can't hear it, but it is wood. Solid wood. And here is the piece de resistance, the torso. Look at her. Ooh, and she is so soft. She's got some kind of fabric on her that makes her so smooth and silky and soft. Okay, let's get this packing material out of the way and move the box away. I'm surprised Huggles and Minnie aren't in here snooping around. Oops, sorry, cleavage. Oops, sorry about that. All right, so let's take a look at this stand. Here's the legs. It's very easy to put the legs on. No. That's upside down. Crafty yarn owl, that's upside down. You ain't so crafty right now, are you? All right, let me look at the instructions. Let me look at these pictures. See? Pictures. Okay, dokie. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Unscrew the bottom. Oh, yeah, now you got it. Unscrew the bottom. Then you slip the legs into the slot. Yeah, turn the legs the right way. There we go. Slip them into the slot. Right like that. There. Ha! And then you slip the next leg in the slot. And then you do the third leg. Here we go. Let's just twist this so you guys can see and I can see what we're doing. Slip it in there. And then that bottom piece that we unscrewed off there, we just screw it back on. And it holds the legs in place. So here we go. You don't have to do it too tight, Darla. No, you don't want to be stripping any screws. Okay. Now let me put it on the floor. Try to wiggle it. Ooh, there's no wiggle. No wiggly wiggles. So that's good. That's very firm. Very good. Okay, now we're going to put the body on. That slides over the top of the stand, of course. And I'm looking at the instructions. For what reason? I don't know. And then, I can't do it like that. I can't lay it down to do it. Okay, it's not far enough back. Okay, I'm going to have to... See this? This is what we're going to put on the top. We're going to unscrew the screw on that. Slip it on the top, but I'm out of camera range here, so let's just... We're just going to stop the camera for a second. After I do some fooling around and goofing off here. Alright, oops, she's upside down. Oh man, she's probably dizzy. Oh, look, here, I'll show you this again. Here, you just turn this. And here we go. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Everything's in range now. So we just put this on top of the stand. Like so. Slide it on. She's adjustable. You can have her down lower or up higher. Position her where you want. Screw that screw on there. And not too tight. Not too tight. Are you stripping that screw? Okay. Perfect. Now look at her. She doesn't even wobble or anything. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, I'm so impressed with this product. Let's take a look at her from top to bottom. Here we go. Nice stand. Solid wood, like I said. Look how shiny. I think you can see the shine. Whoa, where am I going? Oh, back over here. Okay, there you are. Yes. There she is. Here she is, guys. Here she is. I need a name. What should I name her, you guys? Help me out. So I forgot to mention that that website that's in Ontario, Canada, where I got her from, ships outside of Canada. So just to let you know that, in case you want to check them out. I'm not affiliated with that company at all. All right, thanks, guys.